What is up, Bitcoiners? Haven't made a video here for a while. We've got some interesting development happening. If you watch my last video, I said I just didn't want to keep repeating the same thing over and over. This is interesting. Okay, we've got this white horizontal line at 27,850. This is the daily chart. For those of you watching along, you know how I marked this. It's the previous wicks from the previous ranges. And I have this chart condensed down and make a short video here and not explain a whole lot over and over to bore people. We just had a daily close right on, just a little below that line. It closed like at 27,830 or so. The new daily candle has opened and it has been rejected. It looks like a rejection. Now it's too early to call for sure. This could pump back up. In the past, back through here, you can see it was above it, below it, above it, below it, below it for a long, long time. And that could start happening again. So I'm not saying this is a clear-cut rejection, but this is looking pretty good. The next line down here is 25,330. You can see these parallel channels. If I extend this up here, like so, you can see that is testing the bottom of that structure there right now as I make this video. It's literally right on it. That line is at about 27,570 to 27,575. I'm watching to see if it will come down here in this general area and maybe come back up and retest the bottom of that channel and fail again. I don't know. But this 25,330 right here, white horizontal line, is a really interesting target to look at. I haven't made a video since I put this is a new channel. My old channel I used to have was at a slighter incline, and it was a little below this. There was a lot less trajectory to it. You can see all the action inside this channel. It's really obeying it, right? And it just broke out. This was the big one, right? The big one on top was the first one. And then this is kind of the secondary one down here, a little light support. It's broken out of the big one, came up for retest, failed. That failure came back down here underneath the horizontal 27,850 line. Came up, retested it, closed just below it, opened up, like I said before, and it's below it now, and it's looking like it's coming down. Now, I don't know if it's going to come down or not, but that is worth making a video about. That is action we have not seen on this chart since March 1st. It dove out the bottom here. It came back up. This was where Binance pumped. The Binance founder pumped the market here. That caused this big pump back up into it. Binance was CZ from Binance, got sued here. And I said red flag right there immediately when it was at 28,800. Hit the top of that channel, failed. So that channel is real good resistance. Tested it through here. This red band of lines here up at the top is a bunch of short orders of mine. I was actually hoping there'd be a big wick up out of the channel and come dive back down. It did not do that. I don't have a lot more to talk about for now. 25,330. If it comes down, that's probably where it's going to come to. Right now, as I make the video, like I said already, is testing the bottom part of that bigger structure there right now on that channel. You can see it right there. I gave out the numbers. I'm just going to start jibber jabbering. I hope you have a good night. And as always, thanks for watching.